Then we are gonna play Animal Hospital.
Basti, I don't think there's a recording. Can you check?
Hello guys. It's this. Look.
Hey. No, I mean, I don't know if you can record your
The
voice.
sound. Bro. The sound is both. Huh? Kuya.
What?
Uh,
Okay, fine, but don't blame me if you don't hear any sound in your recording.
yeah. Benny.
He's in a different one.
Stop.
He's in a solo.
Oh, Benny, you're in a solo. Oh. Fuck. Kuya. Oh, Kuya. So, this isn't my first time playing.
Okay, I'll join you.
How dare you?
Oh, no, stop.
Okay.
You don't need to expect it, you just have to wait.
Kuya. You know what?
When you see an anomaly, you don't have to expect it and use that.
Yeah. Well.
Okay, but I'll treat the patients.
Yeah.
What? You check them and I'll treat them.
Wait, anyway, if I accidentally let an anomaly in, just give it the wrong treatment. Hello guys, it's me. Hello guys, it's me. Want to join me? Yay! Oh, Kuya. Never mind. What? What's that kid? Hope the like black anomaly appears and like jump scare. Kuya? Yeah. What? Whoa, anomaly. Kid! Why are you still here? Whoa! Okay. Why?
Okay, I just
you take the coffee. Whoa! This kid's not an anomaly. Yes. Room fell. Okay.
I think on shift 4 you finally get a taser, so just take it.
Yeah, on shift 4. Wow.
What I'm trying to do?
What the?
Oh, you're lagging.
What the? Oh, it's so laggy. You're so laggy.
What's laggy?
Nothing. Oh no! Oh.
Oh yeah, what kind of...
Oh, I'm gonna take the coffee. Now we drink it.
You don't need to like wait till we get that. Okay. Also, if you accidentally let one of
Yes?
the, the
Okay.
black
No?
eyes or something, they'll start the ritual and then you can put out the candles with eye drops of coffee.
But will they still attack?
No, they only create a ritual. And the ones with the white eyes and the cream, the white and black eyes, I think they're the
Like
ones.
this?
Yeah.
The number one or the
Yeah,
like
they'll,
this?
they'll eat you.
Choose the number one. There.
But I think the safest option if you're on
Oh,
shift 4 is to
there.
feed them.
Let's check the date. Like 2 minutes.
Oh yeah, also, if Barney comes, make sure you take 2 sips of coffee and then give the coffee to him. He'll still accept it.
Oh, never mind. Wait. Why didn't I think of that?
So you can get an extra 10 plus sanity.
Why didn't I think of that?
I don't know. Excellent.
Excellent, yay! Wait, no
Semicolon.
anomalies.
Yeah, no anomalies yet. Wait,
You want to
Rafu.
go around sa school, makikita mo yung mga
No, but Rafu.
Matthew, that is. Whoa. See things. Question. Wait. Hello, question.
You're lagging again.
Oh. Where's it go?
Also, if you see the bed monster, give it, hold honey, and then it'll leave you alone.
Wait, I think the bed monster appears when the patient is an anomaly.
Yeah, the bed monster, just give it honey. The one with the eyes in the ceiling, just don't look up.
Or like try to put eye drops on it.
Yeah, but you'll lose.
You're fake.
Wait, you'll lose sanity because of it. So it's best if you just don't, because
Come
they'll
on.
disappear anyway when
Wait,
you treat the patient.
But what about? Oh no!
It's lagging.
Ah,
Almost
that's
home
bad.
anyway.
What happened to the internet? What happened to the internet?
Also, if you see the wall monster things, the one that hides in the wall.
The hiders?
Yeah, you can just spray it with extinguisher and the goop too.
Ah. Wait, okay. Oh no.
You're lagging again.
Get that shit. Oh no, he's left on one. Oh, so lucky. Get the weeds. Ah.
Ay, mag-phone kayo ng clouds niyo, ha?
Okay.
The heck? Wait, okay. What about something like this? Oh. What about something like this? The eyes can't look at you.
Why would you need to do that?
So that you can,
Yeah, but you can just not look up. You can still treat the patient without looking up. Headbanger. No, use coffee. No, sure.
What? Ah.
I'm gonna leave quicker if you get up to. You handle the one when we're playing. You handle the ones with the reception. I'll trade them because I already got the shopkeeper nurse. I think the red one, that one over there. I got the role.
Wait, you play this game?
Yeah, I tried it once.
Let's inspect. Receive the coughing. Fuck.
No anomalies yet. I think anomalies start appearing at shift 4, I think. Not sure. And try tweaking, yo.
What's tweaking? What's tweaking?
Just glitching out, something like that.
What's that noise? DK, bro.
Oh, it's flickering. Oh, I think one of you guys fixed the camera.
Okay, that camera was broken. The animal. Why? Mom, the internet is wrong. Mom. Mom,
Fuck.
Okay, we're home.
wait, that internet is not working. Mom, the internet is not working.
We're here na. It's working at home.
Yeah. Did Rosie get partner yet?
Yes, 3 kitten.
Mom, you charge?
Why is she still with us?
Yes.
Charge?
No, no need to remove short.
Mimi, touch my shirt.
Short?
No.
Ugh.